Hello students, this video is regarding the assignment for the class 10 chapter number 1 and its solution I'm providing you with along with the questions. Now our first question is, which element has the smaller size, either the oxygen or the fluorine atom? So according to our concept, oxygen and fluorine atom are lies in a period as oxygen with atomic number 8 and fluorine with atomic number 9. When we are moving left to right in a period, oxygen comes first and after that fluorine atom will come. So according to our concepts, while we are moving left to right in a periodic table, nuclear charge will increasing from left to right. So fluorine has a smaller size because we know nuclear charge is inversely proportional to the smaller size of an atom. So if nuclear charge is inversely proportional, it means if nuclear charge will increase, size will decrease. So what the answer we will write? Fluorine has smaller size because while moving across a period in the periodic table, nuclear charge will increase, so the atomic size will decrease. So atomic size will decrease. So the first answer for the first question is fluorine atom. Now we are moving on the second question, that is the explain the term periodicity. They are asking for the term periodicity. So periodicity, the property that reappears at regular intervals or there is a increase or decrease at regular intervals are called the periodic properties. For example, I had given you the example in the previous video for the periodicity meaning. Periodicity meaning something that will come after a certain period of time. For example, if we are talking about the clock, then clock will every second we are having the second stanza and the four. अगर आपके पास में कोई भी हमारा जो नीडल आता है, either the needle is of seconds, either the needle is of minutes, either the needle is of hours. It is telling us hours, it is telling us the seconds, it is telling us the minutes. They will come on the same way after the certain period of time. If a needle is of seconds, it will tell us the seconds. Then after every 60 seconds, it is coming on the 12 again and again. So this is the periodicity which is repeating itself after a certain period of time. So the property that reappears at regular interval or there is an increase or decrease at regular intervals are called the periodic properties, and the phenomena is known as periodicity of elements, and its phenomenon is known as periodicity of elements. And the best example for the periodicity of elements, they belongs to the electronic configurations of the elements directly or indirectly, and we place them in the groups like helena, hydrogen, lithium, sodium. We place them together in a similar group just because all these elements have the similar properties, similar chemical properties. Okay, understand the term periodicity. Now moving on to question number 3, that is what is the cause of periodicity of elements in the periodic table. So the only reason for the periodicity of elements in the periodic table is its similar electronic configuration. As if we talk about hydrogen atom, in the last valence shell it will have one electron only. If we talk about the lithium, it is also having one electron only. If we talk about the sodium atom, it is having one electron only. And same with the group 2 elements, same with group 3, group 4. Every group contains the same number of valence electrons, and due to having this last similar electronic configurations, they all have the same number of properties, similar chemical properties they belongs. Okay, understand this thing. For example, if we have a 1 5 rupee coin and the next remaining 5 rupee coin, either it is a 5 rupee note or either it is a differently designed 5 rupee coin, the value of 5 rupee will remains the same. As with the same thing will happen with the 1 rupee coins, they designed in a different way according to different years, but the value will remains the same. This is the same thing happen with the periodic table elements. When they placed in a similar group, it means they are having the similar chemical properties. Either their designings, their structures are different, but they have the similar properties. Okay, now moving on to question number 4, account for the difference in the size of Fe2 positive and Fe3 positive. So there is a correction as I provide you in this assignment. So there is no any charges given on these Fe metal, so there is a correction, so please make this here. This is Fe2 positive and this one is Fe3 positive. So as we know, with increase in nuclear charge, size of the atom will decrease, because with increasing in charge, the tendency of the positive charge to attract the negative charge electron towards itself will increasing. So they pull the electron toward themselves. If they pull the electrons towards themselves, it means that size of the atom will decreases. So here the charge on Fe3 positive is 3 positive, while the charge on iron 2 positive is 2 positive atom, 2 positives. Okay, so the charge is higher on Fe3 positive such that its size will be smaller than Fe2 positive, because remind this thing, like nuclear charge is inversely proportional to the atomic size. It means if the atomic size is nuclear charge is increasing, atomic size will decrease. Understand this thing? Now moving on the next question, what is the number of elements in the period 1 and period 3? So the period 1 will contain 2 elements, that is the hydrogen and helium, and period 3 will contain 8 elements, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. Atomic number of sodium is 11, magnesium 12, aluminium 13, silicon 14, phosphorus 15, sulfur 16, chlorine 17 and argon is 18. Okay, understand? Now moving on the next question, that give reasons why atomic size decrease across a period but increase down a group of the periodic table. So you know the answers. The atomic size decrease across the period. Why the atomic size decreases across the period? This is because nuclear charge, that is the atomic number, increases from left to right in the same period, and thereby bringing the outermost shell closer to the nucleus, as we discussed earlier. Now atomic size increases down a period just because when we are moving down there is a correction. It's not down a period, that is written down a group. Okay, so while we are moving down a group, atomic size is increasing. Why atomic size will increase? Atomic size will increase because this is due to the successive addition of shells. As the number of shells are increasing, it means there is an increase in its number of shells increasing, there is an increase in its size. Okay, understand this thing that you already studied in the previous is. Okay, next is question number 7. Magnesium 2 positive ion is smaller than O2 negative ion, although both are isoelectronic. Explain this. Okay, isoelectronic ions are those ions which have similar number of electrons, and in the case of magnesium 2 positive and O2 negative, magnesium contains a 12 atomic number with 2 positive. It means 2 electrons are absent in that, so total number of electrons in magnesium is 10, and so is with oxygen 2 negative. If there is a charge of 2 negative, it means there is a presence of 2 extra electrons on the oxygen atom. So now its number of electrons will increases from 8 to 10. So both these ions have the similar number of electrons, that is of 10. But magnesium, as you saw the nuclear charge means the charge on the nucleus, not of the electrons. This negative charge is just because of the electrons, but the nuclear charge is just because of the positive. Nuclear charge is positive charge on the atom. So if the positive charge is increases, size of the atom is decreasing. If the size is decreasing, that's the reason why those Mg2 positive ions are smaller in size as comparison to the O2 negative ions. Okay, understand this thing? Now fill in the blanks. Horizontal rows in the periodic table are called periods. This we know. An element with the 3 electron shells belongs to the period number third shell. Third shell means belong to the period third. You know now, every period represents the number of shells any atom can contain. Group number 1 elements are called alkali metals. Group number 18 elements are called inert gases, noble gases, or the zero valency groups, right? And group number 2 elements are called, this is the complementary I will provide you. Group number 2 elements are called alkaline earth metals. Group number 17 halogens. Group number 16 chalcogens. Group number 15 nicogens. Okay, rewind this thing, वीडियो में किया था हम लोगों ने. On going down a group, the atomic size down a group, the number of shells are increasing down a group. It means atomic size will increase. Atomic size dash with the decrease in nuclear charge. Nuclear charge and atomic size are inversely proportional to each other. It means if one will increasing, the second will automatically decreases. Now in this case it says that nuclear charge is decreasing. Kam kar diya nuclear charge. It means the atomic size will increase. If an element A belongs to the period number 3 and group number 2, then it will have 3 shells just because it belongs to the period number 3 and group number 2. Group represents you the number of valence electrons present in an atom. So the valence electron present in an atom is now 2 valence electrons, right? Now next question is arrange the elements in the following increasing order or the decreasing order. Why? Just wait a minute here. Actually the meaning increasing order here, just firstly you write the smaller one, then increasing and increasing. The order will increasing further. So please इसमें ध्यान रखना, ये साइंस की वजह से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस बच्चों के गलत हो जाएंगे. ये ऐसे जितने भी क्वेश्चंस आएंगे इसमें प्रॉब्लम यही रहता है साइन का कि आप साइन को अगर गलत पुट करते हो तो वहां सब गड़बड़ हो जाएगा आपका. ठीक है, बस प्लीज इसका अच्छे से ध्यान रखना. इफ वी आर सेइंग अबाउट द इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, इट मीन्स द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट और द फर्स्ट थिंग इज ऑफ स्मॉलर इन साइज और स्मॉलर देन इंक्रीजिंग द बिगर एंड बिगर वंस. ठीक है, तो दिस इज लिथियम सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम इट इज. तो आपको मालूम है लिथियम सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम, लिथियम एटॉमिक नंबर 3, सोडियम एटॉमिक नंबर 11 एंड पोटेशियम विद एटॉमिक नंबर 19. So they are of group 1 elements and the first in the group number 2 there is a lithium, group number 3 sodium, group number 4 potassium. So the bigger size is of potassium, then sodium and then lithium. Understand? Now in the decreasing order of the atomic size in the second B part, in the B part they all belongs from the same period, that is the period number 3rd. Now sodium, magnesium, silicon, sulfur and chlorine. Sodium atomic number 11, magnesium 12, silicon 14, sulfur 16 and chlorine is 17. And as we are moving in the period across, यानी कि left to right we are going in the period, atomic size will decreases. So the decreasing order is the sodium higher one, then magnesium, then silicon, then sulfur and then chlorine. Okay, understand this thing. You know what, while we are talking about the these periodic properties or the chapter called the periodic properties and its variations, actually the base of these chapter is only to understand what is the variation of nuclear charge while we are moving left to right in a periodic table, and what is the effect of that charge on the size of the atom. Okay, you understand? If you understand this atomic or nuclear charge concept now, you will understand every topic of this chapter, like the ionization energy, electron affinity, electronegativity, and every topic you will definitely do if you understand the concept of atomic charge. Okay, we will meet in the next video with the next topics. So thank you, be safe, be happy at your place, but do study well for the further of your exams. Okay, thank you.